Hey guys, I'm just finishing up week 2 on Carnivore, so let's go check out what's in my fridge this week. I've got some bacon, raw and cooked, 2 packages of eggs, a whole shelf of water, so you gotta have water on the go. I have some ground beef defrosted, ready to cook, a T-bone steak defrosted, ready to cook. I have a pork butt that is defrosting. Gonna cook that up this week in the crock pot. And then I have some butter. And I have 2 things of ground beef ready to go for lunch or dinner. So that's in the fridge. And in the freezer, we just have some chicken wings, some steaks, some ground beef, and some fat. And that's my